subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
If you haven't subscribed our channels, please subscribe this channel so that you could get all my past videos regarding to active and passive voice. Okay friends, today in our lectures, we are going to see do as directed another questions which is called interchange of sentences. There are three kind of sentences are there. First one is that affirmative into negative and negative into affirmative. Second one is called affirmative into interrogative or interrogative into affirmative. And third one is called exclamatory into affirmative and affirmative into exclamatory. So there are three kind of sentences there and one questions can be coming there in a do as directed. As you know that in a 10th standard there is a do as directed question there and interchange of sentences are also coming there, consists of 1 or 2 marks. So we have to remember this thing. Now there are two rules are there that which we have to remember while we are transforming this sentence in another form. The first rule is that whenever you are transforming this sentence, you have to remember that meaning should not be changed. Again, I repeat that and remember always that meaning should not be changed. Because if the sentence meaning is changed, then it is not called interchange of sentences. So the first one is that while assertive into negative, remember one thing is that meaning should remain same. For example, that he is not regular student in the class. This is a negative sentence, that he is not regular student in the class. While we are interchanging into affirmative sentence, we have to write down that he is irregular student in the class. See both the example, meaning are same, that he is not regular and he is a irregular student. So meanings are same for that. If you write that he is not regular, then meaning should change. So we don't need to do that. We have to keep that. So second rule is that you have to use opposite word. Here in example also that we have used the opposite word, that regular, irregular, right? So you have to remember like that. So like that you have to remember. For example, somebody said that he is as tall as her. He is as tall as her. So here also that while we are making negative sentence, we have to remember that she is not taller than him. Right? She is not taller than him. So that means both are equal. So like that you have to remember. Now the second point, that while interchanging of interrogative into affirmative sentence. Again the example we see that somebody say that he always goes to office. He always goes to office. So in the interrogative sentence, that does he not go to office? Does he not go to office? So both the remaining same. Second thing is that who does not worship to God? Who does not worship to God? So in a positive sentence, interchange sentence that everybody worship to God. Right? Everybody worship to God. Third one is that who does not follow Narendra Modi? Who does not follow Narendra Modi? So in affirmative sentence that everybody follow Narendra Modi. Right? So also we see the example and remember this example that while you are interchanging of sentences, that two things always remember that meaning should not be changed, and second thing is that always use opposite word. Now the third one is that exclamatory into affirmative sentence. It's very easy. Affirmative into exclamatory is very easy. For example, say that how beautiful flower it is. This is a sentence of exclamatory sentence, that how beautiful flower it is. It is very beautiful flower. Right? How loudly he spoke. How loudly he spoke. Then sentence is that he spoke very loudly. Right? This is exclamatory sentence and transfer into affirmative. Now in exclamatory sentence, in another way also that somebody said that a fireman and afraid of spark. This is the affirmative sentence, that fireman and afraid of spark. So in exclamatory sentence, we have to make it like that it is astonishing that. It is astonishing that a fireman is afraid of spark. So this is also exclamatory sentence. So we have to remember that while interchanging of sentences, one thing we have to remember that meaning should not be changed. For example, somebody is written that you are not permitted to smoke here. This is a negative sentence. So in affirmative sentence, we have to write down that you are prohibited to smoke here. Right? So this kind of sentences that we have to use it. So while interchanging of sentences, you have to remember that meaning should not be changed and opposite word should be used. So this kind of interchange sentences can be coming in a do as directed in the form of two or one sentence. So it consists of 1 or 2 marks. So that's why we have to remember. So till today that we are remembering this one only. In my next lectures, I am going to take another topic of do as directed. Till then, enjoy yourself. Goodbye.